Hi, I'm Kara for Hamilton Beach, and this is the two-way Flex Brew coffee maker. If you're like me, there are plenty of times when you only need a single cup of coffee, but making a whole pot means wasting the rest. And then there are other times when you need to serve family and friends, and a 12-cup carafe comes in handy. This programmable two-way brewer provides the perfect middle ground with convenient options depending on what you need. You can brew up to 14 ounces in a single mug, or 12 cups in the carafe. Choose from bold or regular strength for the carafe, and easily use a K-cup pack or grounds for a single serving. No more wasted coffee or waiting to brew several cups. It also features an automatic 2-hour shutoff for peace of mind. Get all you need with the two-way Flex Brew coffee maker from Hamilton Beach. Now that's good thinking.
Cuisinart is revolutionizing the kitchen appliance world with the touchscreen 14-cup programmable coffee maker. Tap the icons on this fully automatic programmable coffee maker to make delicious coffee in your home any time of day with the 24-hour programmability feature. Use the intuitive touchscreen controls to choose a start time, auto shut-off time up to 4 hours, carafe temperature, and strength settings. When you're done and the coffee maker goes into sleep mode, the coffee maker has a sleek presentation on your countertop. The LCD touchscreen offers a self-clean feature, setting control for 1 to 4 cups, and an optional ready alert tone. With the perfect temp technology, this premium coffee maker brews hotter coffee and has both a reusable gold tone filter and charcoal water filter. The double filter technology protects the rich coffee flavor. When the coffee maker is not in use, only the power button will be illuminated, giving a sleek, streamlined appearance to any kitchen. Change the dynamic of today's kitchen with the Cuisinart Touchscreen 14-cup programmable coffee maker.